Donald Trump's deputy will be landing in India today. US Vice President J.D. Vance is on a 4-day visit to India. He'll be holding bilateral meetings with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the US Vice President, his wife Usha and their 3 children. From what we understand, they'll be reaching at about 10 a.m. and they will be welcomed by a senior union minister. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will host a dinner for US Vice President and the Indian origin Second Lady Usha Vance. After holding talks with American leader, the focus will be on trade, tariff and several other key issues between both the nations. Hours after arriving in Delhi, Vance and his family are scheduled to visit the Swami Narayanan temple, and they could also go for a shopping with regards to traditional Indian handicraft goods. Then, on April 22nd and 23rd, the Vance family is scheduled to visit heritage sites in Jaipur and in Agra.
The second most powerful man in Washington is heading to India, and he's bringing the whole family along. US Vice President J.D. Vance and his wife Usha Vance, the first Indian American Second Lady, and their children will begin a 4-day visit to India on April 21st. The Vances will land in New Delhi, starting with a visit to the iconic Red Fort. J.D. Vance will meet National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and BJP President J.P. Nadda. He is also scheduled for a key sit-down with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. There will be a formal dinner hosted by the Prime Minister for the entire second family. On April 22nd, the Vances head to Jaipur to take in the Pink City's historic charm, followed by a stop in Agra to visit the Taj Mahal. But behind the heritage and sightseeing lies serious business. J.D. Vance arrives amid rising global economic tensions and Trump's aggressive tariff policies. Trade talks are expected to be the top agenda, especially efforts to push forward the long-delayed India-US trade pact covering tariffs, supply chains and market access. Vance's team says the visit is about aligning economic goals and boosting strategic cooperation. This is J.D. Vance's first official trip to India, and it is deeply personal, making this visit part diplomacy, part homecoming. US Second Lady Usha Vance has roots in Vedluru, a small village in Andhra Pradesh. They want to introduce their children to India during the visit. Bureau Report, India Today Global.